To our dearest panelists, to our beloved Deputy Administration, Mrs. Florencia L. Capillan, and to our hardworking thesis advisor, Mr. Roland Magsino. Good day. I am John Michael C. Piñano, Bachelor of Science in Criminology, 3rd year.
The benefits of public transportation to second-year criminology student at Laguna State Polytechnic University, Lopez Satellite Campus. Background of the study. The public transportation is a system of transportation for passenger by the group travel system available for use by the general public's importance of public transportation. In facilities exchange the travel and importance of public transportation in play in critical roles and liability of the community. Therefore, transportation allow the access to goods, healthcare, education, opportunity, and employment. Millions of people around the world use public transportation every day. Some of them commute to work, school, or university or other to get the city center for a walk or the personal meeting. The things is unities them their will to get their destination quickly and comfortable. Independent variable and dependent variable. The independent variable is a profile of the respondent. Next is a effect of the public transportation, positive effect, negative effect. Number three is the difficulties experienced encounter in the public transportation of criminology students. This is the dependent variable naman is the benefits of public transportation to second year criminology student of Laguna State Polytechnic University, Lopez Satellite Campus. This is my statement of the problem. This study was aimed to determine the potential of the benefits of public transportation at Laguna State Polytechnic University, Lopez Satellite Campus, especially aim to answer the following. What is the profile of the respondent in terms of age and sex? 2 is effect of public transportation, positive effect and negative effect. Number 3 is difficulties experienced and encounter in the public transportation of the criminology student. There is no significant relation between the benefits of public transportation to second-year criminology student at Laguna State Polytechnic University, Lopez Satellite Campus. Methodology. This chapter describes the deliberate procedure that the researcher will use the conducting this study. This chapter presents researcher methodology where the following will be discussed: research design, respondent research design, respondent in sampling technique, research locale, research instrument, data gathering procedure, and statistical treatment of data. This topic is important in gathering data using research design of overall strategy for the collection of the data. Research instrument will explain the research instrument used to study in the gathering procedure. It will explain how copies in the instrument were distributed and its statistical treatment of the data. Explain how each statistical test was used the treatment. Research design. The researcher will be used that descriptive research can be used to investigate the background of research problem and get the required information needed to carry out further research. It is used in multiple ways to the different organization, especially when getting the required information about their target audience. In the researcher choose the descriptive method because it is the will able them to explain and collect the data requirements to fully comprehensive and benefits public transportation to second-year criminology student. Respondent in sampling techniques. The researcher will be used a simple random sample. It is randomly selected subset of the population of the sampling method is just a member of the population is exactly equal to the change in age selected of Laguna State Polytechnic University Lopez Satellite Campus. Students are the target population is consists of two section, then every section is will be composed 15 student each. Awarding this enrolled second year student is total of 83. The target sample consisted 30 random students, particularly 15 students from 2A and 15 students from 2B. Detail. The researcher chose Sandagua Lopez Quezon as a location for this study in order to have easy access to the information needed for data collection from respondents. The information gathered of the Laguna State Polytechnic University Lopez Satellite Campus. Data gathering procedure. Researcher checked the validity and reliability of the research instrument before collecting data. The sample size is calculated. The survey questionnaire are written ahead of time. Each respondent will be given short form online questionnaire to complete during the data collection process. During the experiment, the researcher will be direct them accordingly. The researcher will tabulate, analyze, and interpret the data after collecting it. Conclusion. As a conclusion from my survey, students prepare to use public transportation to travel to their destination. This is because the quality of such service by the public transportation that reserve in terms of time, labor, and user-friendly price.